So in my last POL or Matic or Polygon Matic price prediction, I was short and managed to DCate out of the trade win profit. We're basically where we were at the video. There was no crazy pump or something, but I'm a little worried for shorters now, and I want short from now because now we're getting a massive amount of longs. We had just had $2 million worth of longs, 1.7 before that. So it's crazy. There's a huge amount of money coming into Matic right now. And I just want to update one more thing. Volume. Stats, back net delta. Okay, so that should be good. We're getting a massive amount of influx of positions right here. But the way I would be interested in taking this trade is basically on a dump. So I'm not interested. So long term, I don't want to waste a second of your time. Long term, I think we're going up now on Matic, but short term, I think we're going down. That's basically my outlook. Down to VWAP or EMA, and from there we can actually take on a bigger trade, a bigger position to the upside. So this is I'll wait it out. I won't do a specific trade right here because I'm waiting for these lows to get pushed. I want these people liquidated, had their stop losses here. Basically we liquidate them and I start entering. If you're wondering how I'm up so much on meme coins, how much up on this wallet, and how I'm up futures, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my course, and Signals chat to follow my trades. Also, I'm making the switch to BloFin from XC, so you can do that the same. You get a $30 bonus plus 50% spot fee discount. Use the links in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. Let's go.